The SincMill Home Gym multifunctional full-body workout equipment is an impressive and versatile piece of fitness machinery that brings the benefits of a professional gym right into your home. With over 20 years of expertise in designing and producing high-quality fitness equipment, the professionals behind this product have clearly dedicated their experience and passion into every aspect of its design. From the moment you unbox the equipment, it's apparent that quality and durability were top priorities. The thick steel frame and weight guards not only provide exceptional stability, but they also instill confidence that the machine can handle even the most challenging workouts without fear of compromise. One of the standout features of this home gym is its versatility. The design allows for a wide range of exercises that target various muscle groups, making it an excellent choice for those looking to get a full-body workout. Whether you're into strength training, leg exercises, or even resistance training, this machine has you covered. The new design of the leg exercise pedal is particularly noteworthy. It is engineered to activate more leg muscle groups than similar equipment, allowing users to perform leg press, extension, and curl exercises with increased efficiency. This means you can effectively build muscle strength and endurance without needing multiple machines cluttering your home gym space. The ease of installation is another key aspect that users consistently praise. With detailed installation instructions and a clear step-by-step tutorial video, assembling the equipment is a relatively hassle-free experience. All screws and nuts are pre-numbered and neatly organized, ensuring that even those who are not particularly handy can complete the setup within half an hour. This attention to detail in packaging and assembly speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to user convenience, making it an ideal option for busy individuals who want to maximize their workout time without getting bogged down by complicated assembly processes. At a price point of $639, the SincMill Home Gym offers great value for money. Customers have expressed satisfaction with its performance and durability, noting that the machine holds up exceptionally well even after weeks of consistent use. Many users appreciate the balance between affordability and quality, finding that the investment in this piece of equipment pays off in terms of the range of exercises and the solid build. While some reviews mention that the assembly process took a bit longer than expected, the overall consensus is that the effort is worthwhile given the product's longevity and functionality. User feedback further highlights the product's strengths and minor areas for improvement. For example, one enthusiastic review mentioned that the machine fit perfectly in a small home gym without feeling too overwhelming or taking up unnecessary space. This compact design is ideal for those living in apartments or homes with limited room, yet it doesn't sacrifice the quality or range of motion offered by larger, commercial gym equipment. On the other hand, some users have noted that individuals of certain heights may experience limitations with range of motion, particularly with leg exercises. This suggests that while the machine is well suited for beginners and those with a moderate fitness level, it might not fully meet the needs of everyone, particularly if you are seeking a very extensive range of motion or if you are taller than average. The customer service and professional support provided by the company are additional factors that contribute to the overall appeal of this home gym. The promise of professional service, with dedicated assistants available to resolve any issues that might arise during use, ensures that you're never left in the lurch. Whether you have a question about maintenance or need troubleshooting advice, the support team is ready to help, reinforcing the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. Moreover, the design aesthetics of the SincMill Home Gym deserve mention. The sleek and modern look of the equipment makes it a pleasing addition to any home gym environment. It blends functionality with style, ensuring that even when not in use, the machine adds a touch of sophistication to your workout space. This consideration for both performance and visual appeal is a testament to the thoughtful design process that has gone into creating this product. In conclusion, the SincMill Home Gym multifunctional full-body workout equipment is a robust and well-designed solution for anyone serious about maintaining a regular fitness regimen at home. Its professional-grade construction, ease of assembly, and comprehensive range of exercises make it a solid investment for those looking to enhance their home workout routine. While there are some minor considerations regarding range of motion for taller users, the overall positive feedback from over 1,500 global ratings and an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars suggests that the benefits far outweigh these limitations. For beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike, this home gym offers a balanced blend of durability, versatility, and affordability that makes it a standout choice in today's competitive fitness market.